This video demonstrates how to use D2L Lumi Content. Use D2L Lumi Content to generate engaging learning materials from external files in the new content experience. Note that content generation is only available in the new content experience, and there are a few limitations to keep in mind. If you're importing a pre-written unit, Word files are supported as long as they're under 25 megabytes. The system can process up to about 100,000 characters. That's roughly 16,000 words, and the generated unit will be limited to 15 pages. If you're generating a unit from a presentation, you can upload a PowerPoint file, also under 25 megabytes. The system processes up to the first 50 slides, with limits on the amount of text per slide and in the speaker notes. Just like with Word imports, the final unit can be up to 15 pages. And finally, each page can include up to 10 images. To generate module content from external files, navigate to Content, click New Unit and select Generate Unit from File. From the Select File and Settings dialog, go to Choose AI Assistance Level. Here you can select Import Pre-written Unit if your content is already finalized and you don't want AI to make any changes, or choose Generate Unit from a presentation or lecture if you'd like the content to be adapted into a unit. Under Choose File, either drag and drop a file into the dialog or click to browse for your file. Click Review Unit Structure. If you want to apply an HTML template to activities in the unit, select one or more activities from the list and click Select Template. In the Select Template dialog, choose a template from the HTML template drop-down. Then click Select. On the Review Unit Structure page, click Generate Content. To continue, click Proceed to Content. The generated module activities are added to your content in a hidden and locked state. Review the content before you unlock it and make it visible to learners. To review AI content, click the AI-generated content and click Review AI Content. Do one of the following. To unlock and make the content visible, click Set to Reviewed. To edit the content again before unlocking, click Edit Content. Once the content is reviewed, toggle visibility to on to remove the hidden status and click Save. Now you know how to use D2L content to generate engaging learning materials from external files. Thank you for watching.